All right, this is one of the very first Mizzen main items I ever had. I don't even know what it was called, but it was their polo shirt. And it's one of the first things I go to when the laundry's done. It's just soft, it fits well, it's not too baggy, it looks good. And so when they discontinued this version, I obviously got their next version, which is the Phil Mickelson version. A little bit baggier, it's got the logo back there that I don't care for, but I was just like, all right, I'll wear these, they're fine, they're good for working from home. So when Mizzen and Main announced brand new polo shirts, brand new pants, which I'm wearing here, the Helmsman, are they any good? I had to try them out and give you my honest review. Keep on watching to find out more. Okay, first, let's start off with the new Helmsman pants. I really like these. I got the Rothy's men's shoes on here. The only thing I don't like about these pants in particular is the color. They're just almost like borderline white, but these pants are super comfortable. I mean, they've got a lot of flex. They have very minimal branding. They have just like this little logo right here. This cord is my microphone cord. They're very lightweight and they're super, super stretchy. They remind me of like some of the other pants that I've tried recently, like these pants here. These are the Oliver's Passage pant, I believe is what this is called. I'll put a link to my review there. These have a very similar fabric, but they're a lot baggier. I like the fit of these pants a lot more. These are just right out of the bag. They fit super well. I really like them. They've got the 5-pocket design. Another pocket here. Right here, this is my microphone and cord here, if you wonder what all this is. It's got the belt loops. The only thing I don't care about this pant is the color, but they're available in a wide variety of colors. I'll put some up here. And I think it's a pretty freaking good pair of pants. They make a little bit of noise when you walk, not a whole lot, but I would totally rock these once again in a different color. You'll notice I'm wearing the old Polo still. Let me put on the new Polo and show you why it is going back with these. Hold on. All right, now I have the new Versa or Vesa, I don't know how you say it, Polo. First glance, it looks awesome. It's got a better cut to it overall. It's not as baggy, not as loose, but it has one thing that I can't do with polos. Some lighter looking polos have this where you can see like chest hair coming through here. I know it's a little bit TMI warning here, but the lighter color here does have that, and I can't get over it. If I see myself in a mirror picture, I notice it just drives me crazy. And I don't have a whole lot of chest hair, but I have like thick chest hair. Sorry, once again, TMI, I know. But if you're a guy, you know exactly what I'm talking about, because you don't want that same thing here, but you can kind of even feel it poking through on some of the sides there. So I really like the shirt. Maybe in a super dark color would work, but even this light blue kind of textured color, it does not work. I really like this polo. I wish it didn't have the pokiness. It's super lightweight. I like the cut of it quite a bit. But let me talk about what I like the most from this haul that I got from Mizzen and Main is the new Helmsworth shorts. They have very much the same kind of fabric as like a Miles everyday short or Oliver all over short, but they've got the nice pocket design here. I'll do a close-up of the fabric here in just a second so you can see it. They have nice zippers here. Very much like the Lululemon shorts have this nice zipper here. This is my microphone. They have some very subtle branding here. I'll once again do a close-up of it. But I'm gonna keep these for sure. A nice zipper there. But these are a winner. They're the same color as the pants. For some reason, I don't know why these don't look white as much as they do a light gray. Those look a little more white when I put them on. I also got these, I didn't even take them out of the box, look. I also got these shorts, they're fun. Same exact material here, but they are super bright. I typically don't wear super bright looking clothes there, but I love these new shorts. Polo, I would like if it didn't stick the hair through. And the pants, I'm gonna show the pants in a different color. I got a ton of pants that are kind of the same style right now, so I don't know if I need any. Another great thing about these pants though is they do come in links, which is not super common. So these are 32-30. I have shorter legs, but let me do a close-up of this fabric here so you can see it and some of the details on it, as well as the shorts, and you can get some more information on this. But overall, really like the new pants, really like the new shorts. Don't care for the Polo just because it sticks, the hair sticks through there. I wish it didn't, but yeah, let's look real close at the fabric. I'll do a close-up. And let me know if you have any questions. And if you haven't subscribed, I'm always trying new stuff because I'm curious too. Sometimes brands send me this stuff to try out and I'm like, I'll give you my honest opinion. And sometimes like this, I just bought it because I saw it and I wanted to try it out. So if you're like me and you just don't know what's good and what's not, and you've got kind of a similar style, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit like, and you'll see more of this stuff. So let's look at the fabric. I'll give you a little more detail. All right, let's first look at the athletic taper Helmsworth pants. Conquer comfortably. Helmsman, such stuff to say. But I do like how they come in, once again, the width and the length. Some pants recently haven't. On the inside, you can see more of the weave of this fabric. On the outside, you definitely cannot see that weave nearly as close as you can on the inside of it, which is interesting. They're not loud. I'm gonna do a real quick noise test. And that's about as loud as they possibly will get. But it has a nice zipper pocket in the back. It's kind of a unique design where the zipper is actually on the outside of the pocket. So here's the inside of the pocket. Zipper's on the outside. And then it's got some nice lining inside that pocket. And this is the only branding you'll find on the 5 pocket. The 5th pocket there. It's got some nice stitching. I know this is really silly, but I really like the button. It's a nice high quality button right there. No zipper pockets in the front, but just super clean looking overall. I definitely give this a thumbs up. Once again, I just didn't care for the color, but that's just me. They are not see-through. I'm actually wearing black boxers on these, just to make sure you couldn't see through, and I couldn't see them, but if you can, let me know. All right, let's take a look at the shorts. All right, I don't know if you're weird like me, but like I keep on my tags until I know for sure I'm gonna keep them. So I'm gonna keep these shorts, but they also have that same awesome button. They're made from that really similar material on the inside. But the shorts actually have another cool feature. This is in some new pants and stuff I've tried, but the embossed logo on the inside. And what this does, it helps keep your pants up, but it also helps keep your shirt tucked in. If your shirt's tucked in, it kind of grips to it. That's not in the pants, but it is in the shorts, so I thought it was kind of interesting. A little bit of a detail different there. It also has this nice side pocket here. It is zippered. And then it doesn't have branding on the front, but it has this little logo that is lit up, reflective, that's the word I'm looking for. Comes in a nice 7-inch length, I believe is what's right. I'll put the full price and any other details on it below. And it's got the chino style pockets versus the pants, which have the jean style pocket. But overall, man, this is just a really good looking short. I really like it. I'm gonna be rocking this. It's super lightweight. I'll be wearing this all summer long, that's for sure. Now let's look real quickly at the Polo. All right, and here is the Polo medium classic size there. It is, I never know how to say it, the Versa. Some things are born to play, and the Versa Polo proves that. Designed to keep you dry, cool, and comfortable. This polo is a perfect shirt for a day out in the town or the course. Did we mention it looks great too? I really do think it looks great. It's just, once again, a really thin material. Up close you can see it. I won't show you up close on my shirt or anything like that, but the fabric is just a little bit thin to where you can see chest hair poking through. But it's got some nice high quality buttons, no branding on it whatsoever, that I saw at least. So I was testing this out, but really high quality item, but just not right for me, not right for you if you've got some thicker chest hair and don't want people to see it. But another good quality shirt. Once again, I wish that they made more black shirts in these polos, but they don't. But oh, there's some branding. It's right here on the side. Just like some of their shirts, actually, they have a little M right there. That's the only branding. But if you have any questions or comments, please let us know below. We'll see you again real soon. Let us know if you have any questions or comments, and we'll keep on trying out more stuff like this. See you on the flip side.